Plug-in play, no cutting or splicing required. Fits all years, models, editions. Yamaha YXZ. Fits all years, models, editions. Yamaha Viking, Rmax, Wolverine. Fits Kawasaki Teryx 2017 current. Only one unit required per vehicle for driver's seat. UTVDistribution aftermarket part seat belt harness override clip bypass plug compatible with Yamaha YXZ Viking models. Yamaha engineers and Kawasaki designed the driver's side seat belt assembly with a speed governor. The seatbelt sensor limits the vehicle's speed when the seatbelt is not plugged in. When replacing the factory seatbelts with aftermarket harnesses, our bypass plug is the solution. Simple plug-and-play unit, no wiring or modifications needed. You only need one plug per vehicle, just the driver's seat. Simply follow the wires from your OEM seatbelt to the connection point in the harness, disconnect and install this plug. Be sure to zip tie the new plug in a spot where it will not be hit by moving parts or seat sliders. Fits all years, models of Yamaha YXZ, Viking, Wolverine, Rmax Fits Kawasaki KRX, Mule all years. Fits Kawasaki Teryx 2017 current. Please wear a seatbelt, safety harness at all times. We want your return business for life. Enjoy the ride. Top reviews from the United States. Great solution to annoying alarm on our Viking V, but not easy to install. The task of elegantly silencing that annoying seatbelt klaxon. However, installation of this simple little shorting plug was much more difficult than I had imagined, only because the Yamaha designers made it exceptionally difficult to get to the. Read more.